Hi there, this is Dave Cherry of the Cordis Corner. Very quick video here. Maybe you've had this situation before where you want to mount a component onto a breadboard like this, but the leads on it are very short and won't quite go into the breadboard like this, where they're loose. In this video I'm going to demonstrate a very easy way to fix that. So how we're going to fix that is, I don't know if you can see it, but this is a very small offcut of a lead from a resistor. And I'm sure many people who've done a few electronics projects, either on Veroboard or PCBs, will have plenty of pieces of metal like that lying around. And these are absolutely perfect for soldering on to the end of one of these here, just like so, and making the lead long enough to go in the circuit on the breadboard.